Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Now, I know so many of us live in smaller homes or apartments, and sometimes it feels like decorating those spaces can be limiting or expensive. But let me tell you, small doesn't have to mean boring, and budget doesn't mean you can't have a space that feels beautiful, curated, and uniquely yours. I'm going to share my favorite creative ways to decorate a small apartment, as I too have a small apartment, on a budget. These are practical tips that anyone can do, but they'll make a huge difference in how your home feels along the way. I'll share a few personal tricks that I've used myself so you can see just how easy it is. Part 1. Start with light and layout. Color choices. Light walls, creams, beige, or pale grays open a space visually. Mirrors. Place them opposite windows to balance light and give the illusion of more room. Furniture arrangement. Don't push everything against the wall. Sometimes floating your sofa with a slim console behind it creates flow and looks more intentional. Lighting layers. Overhead lights alone feel flat, and a floor lamp, a small table lamp, or even string lights for ambience. When I first styled a tiny one-bedroom, just moving a chair off the wall and adding a second lamp completely changed the mood of the whole apartment. Part 2. Furniture that does more. Multi-purpose furniture. An ottoman that stores blankets. A sofa bed for guests. Nesting tables instead of heavy coffee table. Slim designs. Choose pieces with legs and open bases so you can see more floor space. Well-mounted or foldable pieces. A fold-down dining table, floating shelves, or even a Murphy bed. Think vertical. Go up, not out. A tall bookcase, a vertical storage instantly makes the ceiling feel higher. Part 3. Style with textiles and small touches. Rugs. Layering an inexpensive, neutral rug with a pattern or no pattern adds comfort and depth. Throws and pillows. Easiest way to refresh the seasons without overspending. DIY art. Frame fabric samples, thrifted book pages, or even your own photos. Peel and stick wallpaper. A renter-friendly way to create an accent wall or even line shelves. Plants. They add life. Even one big floor plant in the corner elevates the look. Storage that looks like decor. Hidden storage. Trunks doubles as coffee tables, baskets hide clutter. Hooks and racks, great for coats, hats, or even hanging baskets for kitchen storage. Underbed storage. Drawers or rolling bins keep seasonal clothes out of sight. Floating shelves. Perfect for small displays without taking up floor space. Part 5. Add personality. Consistent style, whether you love rustic modern, quiet luxury, or cozy chic. Repeat touches throughout the rooms. Small upgrades. Change cabinet knobs, switch out lampshades, or add a stylage tray on a dresser. Gallery wall. Use mismatched frames for an eclectic look, or have them all be black or white or neutral. Keep them all black and sleek for a modern style. Home fragrance. Candles or diffusers. Give your space a signature scent, which feels like a finishing touch. In my own home, I always light a candle before guests arrive. It instantly feels more inviting, even if the apartment is tiny. Budget shopping secrets. Thrift stores and flea markets. Hunt for unique treasures that cost less. Discount shops like HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and IKEA are amazing budget finds. DIY refresh. A can of spray paint or new fabric can make old furniture feel brand new. Repurpose. Repurpose baskets as planters, trays as wall art, and old doors as headboards. Remember when our parents used to do that? And that's it, my favorite creative ways to decorate a small apartment on a budget. I hope you feel inspired to try even just one of these ideas in your own home. Remember, your space doesn't have to be large or expensive to feel warm, inviting, and truly personal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on doing the great work you're doing to subscribe. It's really helping my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.